Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2 of this video about roasted pork cooking tips, let us continue learning how to make perfectly juicy and crispy roasted pork. For quantity, plan on about 1/2 pound raw pork per person for boneless roasts. For bone-in, aim a bit higher since the bone adds weight. Want leftovers for tacos or fried rice? Add another pound and call it future you insurance. A simple step-by-step method for roasted pork with real flavor. Good roasted pork is mostly about 3 moves. Salt early, dry the surface and cook to temperature. Everything else is optional flair. This timeline works for most roasts, with small tweaks based on the cut. Before you start, set yourself up for even heat. A rinse sheet pan or roasting pan plus a rack keeps the pork above drippings. That airflow helps browning, and it keeps skin from steaming. For aromatics, keep it simple. Onion wedges, garlic cloves, and a few sprigs of rosemary or thyme add nice background flavor. Add a splash of water or stock to the pan if you are worried about scorching drippings, but keep the liquid below the rack. One caution: sugar-heavy rubs burn at high heat. If your blend has lots of brown sugar, save it for low and slow shoulder, not a 450-degree blast for crackling. Seasoning and prep that actually matters. Salt, thyme, dry surface, and a smart rub. Salt is the difference between tasty outside and tasty all the way through. Season the pork with kosher salt ahead of time so it has a chance to sink in. Aim for this timing. At least 45 minutes before roasting. Better than nothing. Overnight is ideal, up to 24 hours, uncovered in the fridge for better browning. Pat the surface dry right before it goes into the oven. Moisture is the enemy of crust. Keep rubs simple. Black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, crushed fennel, and chopped rosemary all work well. Add a little oil only after the surface is dry, just enough to help spices stick. If you are roasting skin on pork, do not put a spice rub on the skin. Spices burn and block crisping. Salt the skin only, and press salt into any scoring. Roasting game plan. Heat levels, doneness temps, and why resting is not optional. Use this basic plan, then adjust for your cut. Preheat the oven. For most roasts, start at 425 degrees Fahrenheit to build color. For lean tenderloin, 425 degrees throughout is fine. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.